everyone, I'm Chef Angela Rose Capana from Eat Your Heart Out Edibles. I'm a personal chef and I create custom meals for my clients. But now I want to share my favorite tips, tricks, and recipes from my kitchen to yours. And if you're hungry for more, make sure to click the subscribe link below. Hey guys, welcome back. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make my cheddar bacon stuffed cauliflower. So this is a super low carb, kind of like, I think of a cheddar cauliflower soup, like think of all those, or not, cheddar broccoli soup. Think of all those elements, but not in soup form, and it's a lot less lower in calories and carbs. So what you're gonna need is your choice of cheese. I'm using a pepper jack. You're gonna need some bacon, which I'll link below my quick, easy bacon trick where I just cook my bacon into the oven. So I already have some bacon cooked. And then you're going to need some fresh heads of broccoli. So I washed these beforehand and I leave them fully intact, but I'm just gonna cut off any, major excess root here. And I'm going to put these into a pot of water that is boiling. And I'm gonna steam them for about, I would say, 5 to 8 minutes till they just slightly get fork tender. So I'm gonna pop them in and then I'll prep my cheese and my bacon. Okay, so the broccoli is steaming, and while it's steaming, I'm going to prep my cheese. So like I said, I'm using pepper jack, and you're just gonna slice it like you were getting ready to eat some cheese and crackers. I would say maybe 3 slices per head of broccoli, give or take. And then I have my bacon that I already cooked and cooled, and probably 2 pieces per head. I'm gonna cut each piece in half. And I'll set these up over here. And then you're gonna make sure, you guys should be able to say this at this point, parchment lined baking sheet. I'm going to line that. So then when the broccoli comes out of the steaming water, I'm gonna place it right onto my parchment lined pan, and then I'll walk you through the next steps. Okay, so 6 to 8 minutes have gone by. My broccoli is just about fork tender. And what I did was I took it out of the pot and putting it into a strainer. And so we can keep things moving, I'm gonna walk over here to the sink and run it under cold water so I don't totally scorch my hands. And that way the cold water stops the cooking process on the broccoli as well. Now, get your beautifully blanched heads of broccoli. And honestly, you don't even need to cut it. You kind of just break it apart. This is the point of steaming it. It kind of loosens up all the florets. And you're just gonna stick a piece of cheese and a piece of bacon in between the different florets. And trying to just go naturally, like where they break apart, and shove them in there. So again, I'm using a pepper jack cheese, but you can use any type of cheese you'd like, just traditional cheddar. You could do turkey bacon if you want, or you could omit the bacon and then it would be vegetarian, but who doesn't like bacon? So I did 3 pieces of cheese and I did 3 pieces of bacon into 3 different spots. And then I'm gonna put this onto my parchment lined baking pan, and I'm going to drizzle a little EVOO over the top. And then I'm going to do some salt and some pepper to taste. You could even add some crushed red pepper flakes if you wanted to make it a little spicy. And then I'm going to do onion and garlic powder. So basically what I'm adding is SPOG, salt, pepper, garlic, and onion powder. I call it SPOG. And this is gonna go into a 425-degree oven for about 15 to 20 minutes until the broccoli gets nice and golden brown and the cheese all melts. So come back in about 20 and I will show you the finished product. Alrighty, it is time to pull the cheddar bacon stuffed broccoli out of the oven. Ooh, this looks and it smells delicioso. Look at this bad boy. So as you can see, the florets have just gotten nice and brown. All of the cheese has melted. The bacon has gotten even crispier. And let me just put it on a plate so you can get a little bit of a better feel for what it looks like. So serve this with a filet mignon or some grilled chicken. You got yourself a pretty low carb, keto friendly side dish. Enjoy.